I'm Emma Kumar. I'm working as an open source developer in Chitkit for past 5 months. Now I'm going to talk about states, and it is the class always defines a view state and a particular view of a component. It has two types of view states. One is base view state and another one is rich view state. The base view state has minimal information, whereas the rich view state has additional information, and it also has the overrides property and particularly specifies a set of child classes to add or remove from the base view state and properties, and it has the styles and event handlers to be set when the view state is in effect. This concept I am using FlexBuilder here. Within the state tag I am using state name as register, and for the add child I am using relative to as login form, and it has the position as last child, and here I am using target, which is the form item, as confirm, and for the add child I am using for the set property to giving the login panel, and for the value as register. It is supposed to get the login panel and login button for two set properties, and for the set style I am using here as target as login button, and I am giving here name as color and value as blue. For the remove child target I am using register link. For the add child related to as spacer1, which is the spacer IDs for the spacer1, and it has the position as before, and that states has to be changed, so that's why I am giving spacer. And for the link button I am giving ID as login link, which has the click event as current state as null, and after that I am using panel, which has the ID as login panel, and for the both the scroll policies as off, and giving the padding types as 10, and for here I am using text, which has the text as click the need to register, and some contents I am typed here which will see in output. And for the form I am using two form items, username and password, and after that I am within the control bar I am using link button ID to get the click event as current state register, and we already saw about the spacer one. This is the ID I am getting here, that add child, and after that closing the tags I go for the output. This is the position and this is the text I am talked about earlier. This is the click the need to register, link to change state, always the click the return to login, link to return to the base state. This like that we just need to register, and for the return to login, like that this change states is happened for the users, and in the sense that states used in very effective manner. Thank you friends. In case you have any queries, please contact my blog emmakumar.padpress.com. Otherwise you can mail to my mail ID s.emmakumar@gmail.com. Thank you.